Hey, Coach Dave. Today's workout. We're doing 22:06:13. It's an 8-minute AMRAP, 5 clean and jerks, 50 lateral hops, and each round you have 1 clean and jerk and 10 lateral hops. You can substitute step overs, you can substitute double under skipping. We're gonna do lateral hops today. Our warm-up is 5-inch worms, 5 alligator T's on each side, 5 push-ups and 5 air squats. Then we'll go through the points of performance on the clean and jerk and the hops. If you want a copy of this, just say Wolfpack and I'll send you a copy of this. Let's go. We're gonna do 3 minutes on the warm-up. Get the smart watch timer. Okay. An inchworm, we're just going to go out and back into the plank position walking. So hands come down, slowly walk out. You can add a push-up if you want, and walk it back. Squeeze your bum. Alligator T's. Step forward with the left foot. The right hand touches the ground. Stretch out the hamstring. Left hand, same as the foot, goes up to the sky. And then slowly drop your elbow to your left foot. Stretch out the groin. 5 of these each side. Opposite, step right foot, left hand. Open it up. Five push-ups, 5 air squats. Bum goes back. Squeeze. All right, repeat that pattern one more time. Inchworm. All right, 1 more minute. Finish your alligators. Five push-ups. Finish up the round your arm. Today on your clean and jerks, you can use a pair of dumbbells, kettlebells, sandbag like I got, or a barbell. From the floor, quiet pull to the knees. Use the hips to bring it to the shoulders. Chest is up, looking forward. Slow, 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 explode. Elbows. Stand tall, taking a breath. Push it overhead. If you have any kind of a mobility issue, just go from your knees to your shoulders, press them overhead. If you have any shoulder issues, just go knee to shoulders. Go ahead and give me a couple of clean and jerks. Today on your laterals, if you're a beginner, you're going to step over. 1, 2. Intermediates, you're going to jump. Advanced, 2-foot takeoff. If you're super advanced, you can do burpees, but I wouldn't recommend them because we're doing 50s. Go ahead and practice that. If you're a total beginner, just do steps over an imaginary line to work these side to sides. We're going to be doing 50 to start. Just do a few now. Yeah, that's going to light it on fire. So, 5 clean and jerks, 50 lateral hops. Every round you're adding 1 clean and jerk and 10 lateral hops. We're going to do as much work as we can do in 8 minutes, so you're going to go fast. If you get tired, go too hard, just take a sip of water, tie your shoelaces. You know, reset that heart rate. Okie dokie. Nothing to it but to do it. So we're going to set 8 minutes on the smartwatch timer. How you doing today? Ready for this? For time. 8 minutes. Here we go. Let me make sure the camera's working. Stall tactics. 10 seconds. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. Let's turn the volume up. Let's get going. Let's do it. doing hops instead of running or skipping today. 3 minutes in. 7, so let's go. Seven, let's go. Less than 2.5 minutes. Let's go. 8. Two minutes, let's go. Keep your head in it. Let's go. It's going to help your skating and skiing. 30 seconds. Keep going. I'm on 9s. Composure. 2. Keep going, guys. Come on. Time. How'd you like those laterals? Did the trick. Heart rate got up there. Whew. We win the day. We did it. Metabolism engaged. So I got the 5s, the 6s, the 7s, the 8s. So 4 rounds plus 8. Clean and jerks. 4 plus 8. I mean, honestly, if you're doing a 225-pound clean and jerk, you're going to be moving a lot slower. Make a weight that works for you or whatever you got today. Okay. So, if you're not in Wolfpack 33 yet, that's a free online support community. You can click the banner on the top of the page or my coaching profile button. It'll give you an invite to Wolfpack. Let me know how your score went. And let me know if there's any movements or workouts you want to see in the days ahead. I'm Coach Dave. Thanks for training. You did good. You won the day. Talk to you soon.